Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question. So, we have a points question. You guys always ask for points questions. You always ask me to clarify what a point is. You always ask me to talk about discount points, things like that. So, here's what I'm going to tell you. Whenever you hear a point on a mortgage, whenever you hear a point on a mortgage, whenever you hear a point, whether it's a discount point, whether it's just a regular old point is 1% of the loan. Period. End of story. I don't care what reason you're paying the discount points. So, that being said, I kind of gave you the answer, but we're going to work it out anyway. So, Scott is buying Sandra's home. Scott's loan amount is 88,750. He has to pay 2 points at closing. How much will Scott pay for the points at closing? A, $157.50. B, $177.50. C, $1,775. Or D, $887.50. Well, this is going to be, let me show you the arithmetic that we're going to do. So it's 0.02 times the loan amount, because keep in mind, a point is 1% of the loan. So if he has to pay 2 points, it's going to be 0.02 times 88,750. Now, that's going to give us 1775. A few other things about math. Be careful of where you're putting your be careful of what you're putting into your calculator, because some of you have the tendency to do this. You have the right arithmetic, but you do not put it into your calculator right. Or you move the decimal point to the wrong place because you're going too fast. Punch your calculations into your calculator several times before you finalize your answer. That's one of my best pieces of advice that I could give you in regards to helping you with the math questions. So I hope you like that today, guys. Again, if you like what I do, hit that like button, hit subscribe, because that helps other people on YouTube find me. So this is how you can help me grow and help this channel grow so that I could sit here and do more of this for you. So, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you real soon.